What's up? Greg with PizzlesTechTime back again with another tech video for you. This is going to be another home product. I reviewed a Phillips toothbrush before, or we did an unboxing for it a few years ago, and that video garnered a few views. So I thought it was worth an update. My actual toothbrush broke. Phillips sent me a replacement, and it seems to have the same issue. I actually dropped it the second time. That's why I went and purchased another one instead of complaining to Phillips. So if you're using a Phillips toothbrush like this, you never want to slap it down. Like, I would just get out of the shower and slap it down, and then I would hit it with something and it would fall. And that was the end of that toothbrush. It started slowly dying. And I've noticed there is a weak point at the actual needle of the toothbrush up here, and there's a little silicone seal, and that can get gunked up and damaged over time. I was hoping that they replaced that with something else, but it is possible that they're using that for some reason that I don't know, to make sure the toothbrush doesn't last 10 million years and then people don't buy their products again. I don't think they found the sweet spot, because I see a lot of reviews for this toothbrush dying early in its life cycle, and I think you should get 2 to 3 years for a toothbrush at this price point. This was $300, guys. I purchased it at Best Buy. So guys, this is the Diamond Clean 9700. I believe I had the 9500 last time, and it wirelessly charged. It uses the same brush heads. The only difference with this one is it actually includes 7 brush heads and a tongue brush, and it also has a tongue care mode for the vibration. So you set it to tongue and you use the tongue cleaning, so I thought that would be pretty cool. And you can actually use this with the Sonicare app, and it is really interesting. It'll tell you where you're brushing too hard, where you're brushing in your mouth, and where you need to pay more attention to. I've seen people complaining about it online, that Philips uses your data or whatever, but to be completely honest with you guys, all the applications on your phone are using your data, especially if you're using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok being the biggest one of the concerns out there, because it is owned by China. Your data is being sold and taken from you on a daily basis. I really do like Philips toothbrushes. I've been using them for about 10 years now. I think the vibration intensity works better than Oral-B's kind of vibrate and rotate method. They can be a little expensive for the premium models, but I really do enjoy using them. If this one does not last as long as my other one, which was about 3 years, maybe a little more, with the replacement from Philips, so I would say I probably got a year and a half out of each one. The first time I did not drop it, but it still stopped functioning. The second time, I do think it was a user error. If this toothbrush does not last at least 2 to 3 years, I'm probably gonna stop using Philips toothbrushes. My main issue with these toothbrushes is gonna be the build quality. That little metal head, if you touch it or press it too hard, it could break, and also that silicone can let in toothpaste gunk and all sorts of stuff and liquids. It could be user error damaging the toothbrush. It could be just a long period of use. It could be water damage. I don't really know what's happening to these toothbrushes, but if you look online at Amazon, a lot of people have been complaining about them, guys. So just a heads up there. But if you'd like to purchase this product, I'll have a link down below. All right, guys, let's get down in this unboxing. Let's go. We are here in front of the Philips Sonicare. This is the 9700 Diamond Smart Clean. The difference between this one and the 95 or the 9300 is going to be they have a tongue care mode, which piqued my interest. This particular model comes with 7 brush heads and a tongue brush, and it also comes with a travel case that will also double as a charger, as well as a wireless charger. USB charging travel case, the charging glass, the Philips Sonicare app, but phone not included, it does say that, okay. And we got a premium clean brush head, we've got premium white brush head, premium gum care brush head, and a tongue care. And it'll tell you pressure, location, and scrubbing. I don't know what scrubbing means, but okay. Smart brush head recognition, brush head replacement reminder, 5 cleaning modes, 3 intensity settings, and we've got a 14-day Li-on battery, guys. We got the smart sensors right here, provide personalized feedback to help you, instant feedback on pressure and scrubbing, touch up to immediately address missed spots. That's pretty cool, but unfortunately it is kind of a pain to take out your phone every time you brush your teeth. So you're getting 7 regular brush heads and the tongue cleaner in this kit here. As you can see, this is the same rubber piece right here that actually caused the issues with my previous model. So I did see at Best Buy, it looked like the 9500 actually had something protecting this one, and I was hoping this one did too, since it's the premium model. Pretty cool, guys. So nice looking toothbrush. The battery is low, so we're going to need to charge that. So this is going to stop the brush head from falling. That's pretty cool. The USB is under the case right here, and it's protected. And there is a rubberized seal there. Very, very nice. And the toothbrush and 2 heads can go in there, and it looks like it's going to wirelessly charge right in the case. And I do believe this will be a stand for the sink so that you can put it down and you don't have to worry about it toppling over like it tends to do, guys. The gold accents, they're okay. I don't really love them that much. So as you can see, it says Phillips on here, and all you have to do is drop it right in there, and you'll get a vibration saying that it is charging. So take it out, see the battery charging, and you'll get a little vibration. You can just lean it up against the side of the cup there, and it's going to charge. It's a pretty nice product. We'll have to see how it lasts. I would love for there to be some type of protection for this actual piece right here, because tons of toothpaste and gunk gets under it, and probably water eventually. And I do think this point right here and the silicone cover or whatever it is the point of defect for these. So Phillips, if you're watching that, keep that in mind. You want the longevity of the product to outweigh the cost. This is my second one, third if you count the one that Phillips replaced for me. So we looked at the Diamond Clean 9700, pretty much the same exact build quality as my last Diamond Clean toothbrush, although it does say on the charger not to use it with the previous Diamond Clean chargers, which is a little surprising to me because it looks exactly the same. But I'm just going to use the new charger as to not have any issues, as I just purchased this toothbrush and I did not purchase the extended warranty. Phillips did include this paper that said if you register it with the app, you get an extended 6-month warranty, so that's pretty cool. For now, I'm going to use this Diamond Clean. I'm going to give it one more chance, guys. If you want to subscribe to the channel, if I do update this video, I'll drop it down in the comments below. And if you have any questions at all, let me know down in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, guys, please hit the like button. It really feeds the algorithm and makes YouTube recommend my videos more. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I make tech videos weekly in 4K. And until next time, I'm out.